Good evening, Saim. How are you today?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine. आप कैसी हैं?
I'm great, thank you. Remember, in English, you can say, How are you? And I reply, I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, yes, I remember. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Very good. So, let's start our lesson. Do you remember what we learned yesterday?
Yes, we learned about daily routines. I wake up at 7 o'clock, I go to school, and I eat breakfast.
Excellent. Can you tell me your daily routine again in English?
Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock, I brush my teeth, I take breakfast, I go to college.
Great effort. Just one small correction. We say, I have breakfast, not take breakfast.
Oh, okay. I have breakfast. Got it.
Perfect. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and egg. Sometimes I drink tea.
Good. You can also say, sometimes I have a cup of tea.
Understood. Sometimes I have a cup of tea.
Wonderful, Sime. You're improving. Now tell me, what do you do after college?
After college, I go home, I take lunch, then I rest for some time.
That's correct, but again, say, I